Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start now by confirming the WhatsApp version and checking device storage. This ensures the app behaves predictably. Next, make a quick chat backup only if you might need messages later, then open the chat containing the photo. Once inside, tap the image to open it full screen. This gives you the controls to delete. If the photo came from a group, note who sent it, because deletion options differ between your device and everyone in the chat. You now perform the core steps. With the photo open, tap the delete icon and choose the appropriate option. Choose delete for everyone only if the message is within WhatsApp's allowed time window. This removes the message server side and on recipients' devices when successful. Once done, make sure to also remove any local copies in your gallery or file manager. WhatsApp may leave a saved image. Finally, exit and check the chat to confirm the thumbnail and message are gone. Finish by verifying removal. Scan the chat and your gallery to confirm deletion. If delete for everyone failed, tell recipients to delete their copy manually, because server limits or elapsed time can block automated removal. If images persist in backups, consider deleting or restoring an older backup without the photo, but be cautious, because this affects all chat history. If deletions fail, restart the app, check storage and media permissions, then retry permissions or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.